Time for our weekly Sports and the Law segment with legal analyst Steve Moskowitz. And Steve, a couple of interesting topics to hit on. First of all, you got Tiger Woods, right, the reigning player of the year for 2013 on the PGA Tour, yet Brandel Chamblee, analyst for the Golf Channel, stopped just short of calling him an out-and-out cheat, saying he was cavalier with the rules and he gives Tiger an F. And now Tiger's people are none too pleased. They're threatening legal action here.
A vicious allegation, wholly without merit. However, the best thing Tiger's people could do is just forget about it and move on and let it die down. Because the problem is if he sues, Tiger will lose. Tiger's a public figure. And when you're a public figure, you can do a lot of insulting before you're going to have a suit. Just let it go. Forget about it. Otherwise, the suit will be remembered, not the allegation.
I would imagine, especially in this particular case, given Tiger's not so recent indiscretions, you might consider that's publicity you really don't need if you're Tiger Woods.
You don't want to emphasize cheater. That's very bad if you're a Tiger. It's very bad.
Very bad.
No, you don't want that word.
Okay.
Word.
The other interesting topic is Jack Clark. And allegations that Albert Pujols took steroids. Clark came out and said it. He said, you know, Albert Pujols, PEDs. Now, Pujols obviously has denied this. So now Jack Clark's attorney comes out and says, okay, I know how we can settle this for the record. I want both sides, Clark and Albert, to take lie detector tests. Now, there's lots of issues here in terms of admissibility and whatnot. I mean, but is there a lawsuit that can be had? Because that's what Pujols' people are now threatening.
This is going the other way. First of all, you can just forget about the lie detector because that's inadmissible and the court won't let it in. The reason the court won't let it in is because it's so unreliable. Numerous studies have been done. And next, let's take a look. Jack Clark got fired when he said that over the radio and basically said, you know, a couple of guys told me that he juiced, so you must have done it. That's the whole reason why you have laws against hearsay. He doesn't know. He doesn't have proof. Some guy told me that that's terrible, and this is serious. Steroids in baseball. Albert's been clean. There's nothing against him. This is bad. And lie detector. Oh, come on, forget about it. You get sued. You answer. His attorney knows how desperate his situation is.
Well, and Pujols is in fact suing Clark now for defamation.
As well, he should.
Is there a case here?
Yes, there is. Because now what's happened, even though he's a public figure, you're directly affecting his ability to make money. This is serious, and there's no proof. A couple guys told me, therefore, no, come on.
So, is there precedent here? I mean, I can't think of a case where an athlete has sued another athlete for defamation of character, won a judgment. I mean, is there precedent?
Well, again, the problem is this whole area is breaking new grounds. Look at the changes in steroids. The law sometimes moves kind of slowly. And again, you're affecting somebody's ability to make money. And let's take a look at all the endorsements that come along here. If some company thinks that guy's juicing, that's it, he's done. So this is serious. This, I think, should move forward, and I think Albert has a good case.
All right, always a good time talking sports and the law with Steve Moskowitz. Thanks, man. All right, well, that'll do it for another installment of Yahoo Sports Talk Live. Thanks to all our guests, including Marcel Reese for stopping by and talking about the Raiders coming up with the Steelers on Sunday. Sportsnet Central next, David Homage.